Hey, my name is Phil with legitmarketingreviews.com, and in today's video we're going to be looking at an AI content creation tool called Nichesss. Now, in this Nichesss review, I'm going to walk you through exactly how this tool works, what it does, who it's for, and by the end of this video, you should know if it's right for you. Now, just to let you know, there is currently a lifetime deal for Nichesss. I'm not sure how long it's going to last, but if you want to get Nichesss at an incredible price one time, make sure you use the link in the description. So first of all, what is Nichesss? Well, like I mentioned, it was an AI content generation tool, but it also is an idea creation tool. It is a very unique software. I don't think I've seen anything like it, but in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it does, how it works. So I'm going to jump behind the screen right now and show you that. Okay, so here I am on the Nichesss back end. First of all, I'm actually going to show you the pricing of Nichesss because at the moment it is lifetime deal, but once they actually flip over to normal pricing, this is what you can expect. $19 a month for 100 credits, $39 a month for 250 or $99, which is Pro for unlimited. If you use the lifetime deal link in the description, you'll get actually unlimited for just one time of $59, right? So it's an incredible deal. And they also have more features coming out soon, like the long form blog post writer. That's going to be out soon. So that's really exciting to get, especially considering the price. And a lot of other competitors are charging $97 per month. So keep that in mind. So once again, here we are at the dashboard of Nichesss. Now, this is the type of content you can expect to create, right? So if you want to create a marketing plan, there's an option. You can create pieces of a blog post. Like I mentioned before, they are creating a long sort of blog post sort of style AI tool soon. At the moment, you can only create pieces of a blog post, but soon it's going to be the full thing. There's also ads, ad copy, short posts, which is like social media, image posts, feedback, YouTube. I'll just let you scroll. There's literally so many different types of things that you can have. But the thing that really sticks out with Nichesss versus all the other AI content generation tools is the ability for quizzes, which is quite an interesting thing, right? You can do passion quizzes, problem quizzes, skill set, talent, all these different things that help sort of give you ideas of different either businesses you can create or ideas or content sort of ideas you can create. It's a very interesting thing. Then there's also some search and reports, things like browse communities, reports, and different types of content. So I'm going to show you how this tool works. It's actually really simple to use. Sometimes when you actually start trying to get some content, you come out with some pretty crazy results. So it takes a little bit of getting used to, but you'll get there. So what I'm going to do is just start off with maybe a YouTube sort of content sort of creation tool. Now, when you click on this empty column, it's going to show you the options that you can actually create. You can choose one, you can choose them all. It depends on it. So what I'm going to do is start off with a random video idea, just because it's one of those crazy things. So the channel name is my one here, Legit Marketing Reviews, categories, digital marketing. And the good thing is too, if you are using one brand, if you've just got one brand, each time you enter in a different type of content tool, it's actually going to pre-fill all of your information, so you don't have to keep typing it each time, which is really cool. So what I'm going to do is click generate. Now let's see what this actually comes up with. Here's all my previous sort of things I've been doing, but in a few seconds this is going to load. As you can see, it's all done. Click on view plan here. Now this is giving us some ideas. Now look, 4 marketing trends you can profit from in 2019. So this is probably a little bit outdated, but that's a very good actual keyword title for 4 marketing trends you can profit from in 2021. That's actually a really good idea. Best email marketing software for beginners in 2018. Same thing again if you change that to 2021. It's pretty amazing. So I might actually edit it. I'll show you how easy it is to edit, right? So you can make a list of all these different types of things. Right, so I'll click off that. It's now 2021. Do the same here. And to be honest, like I do a lot of YouTube, and these are actually some really good ideas, especially if you want to share them on Pinterest, right? These are really catching titles. Email marketing, the 5 most important things, really good. And the exact email marketing software we use at our agency. That one's probably the least desirable, but the other 3 are amazing. Now, the good thing too is you can actually keep pressing add more if you wish. It's going to once again bring up the prompts. So I'm going to go random video ideas. It's going to bring up the same things. I'm just going to click generate more now, so I don't actually have to add in anything else. And it's just going to continuously keep adding ideas for videos, right? So this is a really good sort of example of the types of things it can do, right? This is really just scratching the surface, but if you're stuck for titles, this can always help. So it says refresh. So I'm going to reload now. like so. And as you can see, we've got some more, right? Has anyone tried ConvertKit? Not so good, that one. How to start and grow an email list. That's a perfect title. How to get free traffic from reddit.com. That's an amazing title. Once again, it's a bit out of date here, but that's the keyword. Oh, sorry, the YouTube random video ideas thing. So that's pretty interesting. Let's see for ads, right? If anyone wants to create an ad, you're not the best at copy, no problem. Let's see what we can actually use with Nichesss. So in this one, I'm going to choose maybe a Facebook ad, right? Facebook ad's pretty cool. Legit marketing news type of business. Yep, what your business does. Find the best low cost software for businesses, right? So you just put in anything in here. You can also get them to fill it if you wish, but it's probably best that you put the input in here. And if it comes out a bit weird, just change the text a little bit and how you do it, and we'll see what it actually comes up with. So once again, go ahead, click generate. It's going to take like 5 seconds to actually create. So once again, there it is. It's all ready to go. Click on view plan. Let's see what we got. So if you were to do a Facebook ad, the AI content generation tool recommends we do these. The best list to find the best marketing software for your business. Very true. That is actually quite accurate. It's not really a call to action, but it's still very accurate. Want to keep up with the latest marketing trends? We've created the newest digital marketing software right here. It's easy to learn and easy to use. That's actually really cool. I do like that. That's amazing. You can also upload an image so it shows you what the ad would look like. Best business software is easy. The best business software is easy on Pocketbook. So that's a pretty weird one. I probably wouldn't use that. Last of all, business owners and marketers use this software to conduct efficient digital marketing campaigns. So if I had like an article, maybe I could use that and link to the post. So these are all actually really good. Of course, this is just for my type of business model. It's a bit of a strange one to run ads for, but these are all legit sort of examples of how this could work, right? So if we just come down, let's have a look at some other things. The one that most people will probably use it for is actually sales, right? Because having the ability to create sales copy is quite incredible. So when you click on here and click on the different type, you'll notice that there is a few different options, right? You've got the AIDA format, which is the attract, interest, desire, action, I believe, something like that. You've also got the before, after bridge. So that's the type of format it comes out in. The feature, advantage, benefit, pain, agitate, and solve, as well as problem, promise, proof, proposal, lots of P's. And these are all different types of sales copy strategies, right? So I'll just choose the AIDA because I like this one. It's quite cool. I'm going to go ahead and click generate. Once again, it all pre-fills from when you did your last search, which is quite cool. And in a couple of seconds, once again, it's ready to go. Click on view plan. Now, as you can see, attention, interest, desire, action. I was right. So learn how to use the top mobile software to get more clients and more sales. So if I was to use that, I'll probably just remove mobile and add in marketing or something like that. Interest, get the most cost-effective software for your business. Yep. Desire, stop paying for software you don't need. Very good. And action, discover the best software now. So these are all pretty cool, right? So this is giving you sort of a perspective of how you can pitch your marketing sort of efforts, right? So that's the AID. I'll actually go back and show you another one because these are all really powerful types of copy you can create. So for the next one, I'm actually going to choose the before and after bridge. I like that one. It's quite cool. And once again, click generate. Now, it's probably each niche that you use is probably going to be a lot different. I assume for the more like weight loss sort of industries, the more like where people actually own these products and they know exactly what they're selling, it's going to come out much better results rather than me just talking about reviews. So if I click on view plan now, before, are you looking for a software to help your business grow? After, legit marketing reviews helps you find the best low-cost software for businesses. There's always a way to save money. So that's amazing, right? The bridge, legit marketing reviews has been featured in notable publications such as the Wall Street Journal, Forbes, and Inc. We are the leading provider of software reviews to small businesses and have helped thousands of businesses grow their business. That is amazing. I wish I was featured in these different magazines, but it is incredible copy regardless, right? So that's the sort of copy you can expect with Nichesss, right? It's this very simple and at the moment very cheap software to actually produce content. Once again, you get unlimited amounts of credit, so you can do so much with this. I'll just show you one more while we're here. So we'll just go down a little bit further. I like the questions one, right? So the questions are if you have a different type of question that you want to create answers for. You can actually post them in here, right? So what my business does is that, and I could write what is the best email marketing software, right? So this could be like an FAQ you create in an article or something like that. I'm going to go ahead and click generate. and let's see what it's going to come up with. And once again, a few seconds, it is good to go. Click on view plan. And here we are. So what is the best email marketing software? Why not use Inbox Army? This is the best email marketing software because it's proven to give higher ROI than other digital marketing software. Interesting. And what is the best email marketing software? Email marketing is the act of sending emails to a list of people we can blah, blah, blah. The best email marketing software will help you build and grow your list to be able to send them emails. So it's very liberal as well. So this is what you can expect. Once again, if this was talking about like breaks, you could go deep into different types of break pads, different things people will be asking. If you have also another software called Phrase that actually scrapes all the different questions people are actually asking and getting search traffic for, you could easily just input them in here and it's going to give you the answers. You can create FAQs like that. Very easy to do. And that's pretty much Nichesss. If you have a copywriting issue and you need some help, this is perfect for you. I don't usually create too much copy. I like to create more videos, but I am going to keep this just in case I do want to start creating a lot of more articles, things like that, because for this price, you can't literally pass it. Once you start having to pay for the actual price, which is the $99 a month for unlimited, you're going to be crying a little bit considering that it was once only $59. However, it is a very good tool. I know they are currently, like I mentioned earlier, bringing out the blog post writer, right? The long form sort of assistant, like a lot of other companies have been doing. So you'll be able to create an entire blog post with just writing a few words. That is going to be a big game changer for a lot of people. Anyway, that's pretty much Nichesss. What I'm going to do right now is jump behind the screen once more and show you a few extra things. Okay, so that was Nichesss. As you can see, it is a very powerful tool. AI content generation is becoming a very hot topic. And if you struggle with copywriting like I do, then this tool is perfect for you, especially if you want to get those nitty gritty little sort of copy sort of things like FAQs, YouTube sort of descriptions, things like that. All of this type of sort of copy is easily generated when using Nichesss. So make sure you check it out. Once again, the price is currently $59. I don't think it's ever going to go back like that again, so snatch it while it's launched and you'll get an amazing deal. Okay, that's it from me. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe for more deals, more reviews, and more bonuses. Once again, there is links in the description including other free content you can get, so make sure you check it out. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you on the next video.